Good morning, everybody. It's me, Neetu. I believe everyone is safe at your home and I hope all are doing well. I think almost everybody knows me. After a long time we meet again because our country is in big trouble, that is Corona. In that time what you have to do, you have to stay your own home and obey your parents. Clear? So what you have to do, I repeat, you have to stay your own home and obey your parents. Well, English is the subject now I am going to teach you. The first part of the lesson is a poem. Before I take in this, let me ask some questions. How's your vacation? Did you get bored this summer vacation? But sometimes you feel happiness, isn't it? Sadness and happiness are similar in each of our daily life, right? Sadness and happiness are similar in each of our daily life. Sometimes it's not a person that makes our life dark. Sometimes it can be a dark sky atmosphere. Sometimes a good smile is enough to change one's sadness. It's very important thing. Sometimes a good smile is enough to change our sadness. So what you have to do first? Keep your smile on your face every day. Once again I repeat, you have to keep your smile on your face every day. Clear, everybody? Have you understood what I am saying? Dear children, here we discuss about a bad day suddenly turned to a funny day. That's how it is. We read about what happens when Daddy falls into the pond from this chapter, from this poem, from this lesson. Once again, I repeat, children, English is the subject now I am going to teach you. Dear little ones, the first lesson part is a poem. The poem title is When the Daddy Fell into the Pond. Have you seen this? Page number 10. When the Daddy Fell into the Pond. This is the lesson name. Can I write on the whiteboard? This is the poem's name. Clear, children? So what you have to do first? Let me read this poem first. In that time you have to do, touch your thumb on that proper sentence and words and try to read with me. Are you ready, everybody? Ready, all of you? So can I read this first? All right. Everyone grumbled. The sky was grey. We had nothing to do, nothing to say. We were nearing the end of a dismal day. And then there seemed to be nothing beyond them. Daddy fell into the pond. Once again, I repeat this. Everyone grumbled. The sky was grey. We had nothing to do, nothing to say. We were nearing the end of the dismal day. And then there seemed to be nothing beyond. Then Daddy fell into the pond. What a funny. And everyone's face grew and merry and bright. And Timothy danced full she delight. Give me the camera. Cute, oh cute. He's crawling out of the duckweed. Click. Then the gardener suddenly slapped his knee and doubled up, shaking silently. And the ducks all quacked as if they were daft. And it sounded as if the old drake laughed. Oh, there was not a thing that did not respond when Daddy fell into the pond. Dear children, this is the poems. once again, I read this. You please listen to me once again. Ready? The poem name is When Daddy Fell into the Pond. Clear, everybody? What's the poem name? When Daddy Fell into the Pond. This is the title of our poem. So today I am going to take first 6 lines. That means first stanza. So are you ready to learn with me, everybody? Thank you. So children, once again repeat the first 6 lines or first stanza from this poem. Everyone grumbled. The sky was grey. We had nothing to do and nothing to see. We were nearing the end of the dismal day, and then there seemed to be nothing beyond. Then Daddy fell into the pond. Here the poet described about one funny moment. Just wait for that word happening here from the first stanza. Ready? Are you ready, everybody? So let me ask some questions. May I ask you something? Do you remember your boarding day? Do you remember your boarding day? Sometimes your board day was turned into something fun. Can you remember that one? Or just remember that one? Just remember that one. Because everybody has sitting in lockdown time. I think almost sitting in a very boring time, right? So, your board day was turned into something fun sometimes. Okay. Can you remember that one? You just remember. Still you have to remember that thing. Here the poem describes a boring summer afternoon. A boring summer afternoon. Not only were the people feeling bored, but even in the nature seemed to be bored. Dear children, from the first stanza, the poet explained a boring summer afternoon. Not only were the people feeling bored, but even the nature seemed to be bored. The sky was grey and the day was very, very bad. In the time, Daddy suddenly fell into the pond. With that event, the day turned into a very, very funny day. We can see what happening that, right? Are you ready? The poet describes how this funny incident affected all things and made them happy. Dear children, once again I repeat you, the poet describes how this funny incident, that means Daddy fall into the pond. That is the incident, no? So, the poet describes how these funny incidents affected all things and made them happy. Everyone said, what a boring day is today. From the first answer, everyone is grumbled. What do you mean by grumbled? Have you seen this? Have you seen this red letter words? That is new words or synonyms. We already know the things. Synonyms. Synonyms. The first synonym from the first stanza, that is grumbled. What do you mean by grumbled? What do you mean by grumble? Grumble means complaint. Complained. So from the first stanza, the poet describes everyone grumbled. Everyone said, what a boring day is today. The sky was dark. The sky was dark. We had nothing to do and we have nothing to see. Dear children, the poet describes from the first stanza, what a boring summer afternoon. Not only were the people feeling bored, but even the nature seemed to be bored. Alright, once again I repeat the first stanza. Everyone grumbled. That means everyone complained. Have you seen this? Everyone complained. The sky was grey. We have nothing to do and nothing to say. We were nearing the end of the dismal day, and then there seemed to be nothing beyond. Then Daddy fell into the pond. Once again, I repeat you the explanation, children. Here the poem describes a boring summer afternoon. Not only were the people feeling bored, but even the nature seemed to be bored. The sky was grey and the day was very bad, very boring. In that time, Daddy suddenly fell into the pond. With that even, the day turned into a very funny day. The poet describes how this funny incident affected all things and made them happy. Everyone said, "What a boring day is today. The sky is dark. What a boring day." Everyone grumbled. Everyone asked. Everyone complained. What a boring day today. What a boring afternoon. Today is very sad day. Oh, how can we play? How can we eat? How can we talking together? We can't do anything this boring day. So, it's funny day, funny incident already happening in that time. What is that? Daddy fell into the pond. In that time, everyone was very happy. Today is very sad day. While he was saying this, Daddy fell into the pond. We already know today is everyone has grumbled. Everyone has what did complained. What a boring day today. In that time, what happened? Daddy fell into the pond. This is from the first 6 lines. That means first stanza. I will give you one activity for you. You just click your funny picture and send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay? This is one of the activity for you from this chapter. Do it first and go and take your camera and click a funny picture. Okay, ready children? So by the end of the class, hope you have understood my class. So thank you so much. We will see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.